Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and we will take you to explore our paper gift box. These boxes are all produced by us. We can accept custom all kinds of boxes, such as candy box, candle box, perfume box, flower box, chocolate box, and etc. Whether it is used to wrap gifts or as a unique display box, our paper gift box will add endless charm to your products. Our customers are from all walks of life. No matter what type of business you are, we can provide you with the most suitable solution. Next, I will show you different paper gift boxes. Square magnetic leather-linked box, coated paper material, built-in magnet, EVA insert, embossed logo, exquisite and compact. Perfect combination of practicality and beauty. Easy to open the lid. Minimalist design, make your storage more stylish. Creative heart-shaped patterned 2-pieces box. Special paper material. Blister insert, customized pattern. This hat box can bring unique beauty and warmth. Choose creative design to make every gift you give full of heart and personality. Special shaped creative hot stamping 2-pieces box. Coated paper, EVA insert, hot stamping, and unique shape design are perfectly combined. Whether it is gift packaging or product display, it will make your content stand out. 3D magnetic drawer box, printing outside, hot stamping, spot UV and multiple processes, EVA insert, exquisite designs and high-quality materials. The combination of design and craftsmanship can meet your high-end luxury customization needs. Strawberry-shaped 2-pieces box is made of coated paper, EVA insert, multiple printing processes, and unique strawberry-shaped design make it stand out among many packaging products, making every detail full of heart. Transparent 3D irregular box, simple design. The lid adopts a transparent skylight, built-in 3D three-dimensional design, EVA insert perfectly, presenting every detail, showing your unique style, and making every product the focus. Today, let's create a paper gift box for your product. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you.